Hello, here is Reverend George. Yes, I'm in town. You can call me Spratz. I'm here to give you a very quick one on how to master the CAGED system in every key. This is going to be very brief, but very important. Okay, where do we start from? First, as a student of the guitar, you should know the CAGED system. What's the CAGED system? It's a system that categorizes the guitar into various departments. Assuming about 5 of us are playing in the key of C, and the first person holds this shape of a C. Then in order to create some forms of variety, the second person would want to play another shape. The third person would want to play this shape. The fourth person would want to play this shape. And the fifth person would want to play this shape. I mean, these are 5 different homes, and all are in key C. All of these are called C. So C, 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 C. Oh, my string is bad. So the CAGED system in the key of C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This. The CAGED system in the key of D is the same thing, moved 2 frets over. Instead of starting from here, I just rearrange my fingers because of this is C, and I move D. This is D. Simple, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. All right. So this is the C at C, C at A, C at G. This should have been a full chord, G. But because it's difficult, I sometimes remove these 2 fingers and then play only these. Then C at F, and then C at D. And I'm going to move the same thing forward to the key of D. So instead of C, if you want to create C sharp, you just move forward and you rearrange your fingers this way. You can still see the C shape. So wherever you see this shape, it's a C shape. This is A. Without the nut, this A should have been this. So wherever you see this shape, we don't care why this is. This is an A shape. This is J. J. If you have the nut here, assuming without the nut, you could have played it this way. If I want to make it movable, this is how it becomes. So wherever you see this shape, it's a G shape. But again, this is very hard. So if you can play the best, if you can play, then you take these 2. For a beginner, I advise to use this one. This shape. See? It's the same thing. Only that you'll be missing the bass notes. Alright. So this is C at C. This is C at A. C at J, C at F, C at E, and C at D. And if you come to key D, D at C, D at A, D at J, D at E, and then D at D. Can't get that because I don't have, this is not cutaway. But you can follow the notes as shown on the neck diagram. You see. So if you are able to master for these shapes, then the next shape you need to master for is maybe in the key of F. F, and please pay attention. From F, this is the first shape. F at E, then F at D. This is the most difficult one. F at D is very difficult. But when I finish, I'll show you how to master this. With some duets, you know. Then this is F at C. I mean, it brings us to our starting chord. You see? F at A and F at If I continue, it will take me to F at E, my starting. So F again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I master F, obviously I can play F sharp, I can play G sharp, because it's the same thing, the same pattern that moves forward. So if I were you, I will master the CAGED system for C. I'll master it for D, because if I know D, I know D sharp, obviously, I know E, F. Then I'll master the CAGED system for F. If I know for F, then I know for F sharp, J, and so on, because it's the same shapes I'm going to move forward. So, C, 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 C. If I know C, then I know C sharp. Then D. And then I'll master for F. You know, the most difficult shape of the CAGED system is the D shape. D shape. But I have a little exercise that can help you master that shape very well. I'm going to end today's lesson by teaching you a beautiful progression using the D shape in the key of F. In the key of F, that will be very helpful. You can use it in many songs. Look at this shape. So once I have here, you know the duets, right? For F duet, I can play. You see? Mi, do, fa, re, so, mi. You see? Mi, do, fa, re, so, mi. This is the progression I'm going to use. So, once I have this, I already have my second finger on this and my third finger on this. I only have to put my pinky on E, on F here, on the second string, and my first finger on the fourth string on F. So I'm getting this shape. So this chord, which was difficult, now become easy. So I can play. Here the G shape of F, F and G. Let's take it again. Then I repeat the same sequence, the same pattern, starting from where the pinky is. And I'm going to repeat the same pattern starting from where the first finger is. Then I'll end with this, the G shape of F. So, because he leaves, I can face tomorrow. 4. Because he leaves. 1. Oh, fear is gone. These are nice. Anyway, I'm Pastor George, Reverend George. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the best opportunity for you to do it. And in case you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a master, a professional, hey, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. I give lessons to beginners, intermediates, and even advanced students. Please WhatsApp me or text me and let's do it. And describe this beautiful channel to others to also benefit. See you again and soon.